Welcome to the video. Today you're going to learn how to cancel your Netflix membership, whether you're on a free trial or not. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load up a web browser, whether this be on a computer or a mobile device. You want to go ahead and sign into your Netflix account. Once you're signed in, you then want to go ahead and click on your icon in the top right and go ahead and click on account. Now you should be taken to the back end of your Netflix account. You want to go ahead and click on the cancel membership button here, and then on the next page you'll be greeted with two options. So the first option will be to downgrade your plan, which is obviously going to be cheaper. But the second option will be to fully cancel your account, and you can do this by clicking on finish cancellation. The cancellation will fully take place on your next billing date, but obviously you're not going to be billed, your Netflix account will be closed instead. So you're still going to have a bit of an open window for you to reopen your account if you want to. So if you've cancelled your Netflix account but it's still open and you want to reactivate it, you want to go back to the back end of your Netflix account, and here where it says cancel membership, it will say restore membership instead. And you can go ahead and continue your Netflix account like normal. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.